In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero. Adding your products and services properly in Xero is a small step that makes a big difference to your invoicing, reporting, and stock tracking. I'll walk you through the process from the main dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter, so your new inventory item is set up correctly. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. Along the top menu, look for the option labeled Business or Sales, depending on your layout. Click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to invoices, quotes, and of course, your products and services. Once you're on the sales page, look for the section or tab called Products and Services. Go ahead and click on Products and Services. This opens a list of all the items you've already created, whether they're physical inventory, services, or non-stock items. This page is like your product catalog inside Xero. To add something new, look for the button that says New Item. It's usually located near the top right of the screen. Click on New Item. This will open a form where you'll enter all the details for your new inventory item. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with a clear item code if you use one, something short and easy to recognize, like an internal product code or SKU. Then add an item name that you and your customers will understand at a glance. In the description field, you can enter the wording you want to appear on invoices and bills. Be as clear as possible so there's no confusion later. Next, choose whether the item is tracked as inventory, if that option is available in your organization settings. If you track inventory, you'll want to confirm the correct inventory, asset account, and the cost and sales accounts. Enter the sales price you typically charge customers and select the right income account for revenue. If you buy this item from suppliers, add the purchase price and choose the appropriate expense or cost of goods sold account. Take a moment to review tax settings as well, making sure the correct tax rate is applied for both buying and selling. When you're happy with all the information, scroll down and click on Save. Xero will store your new inventory item and add it to your products and services list, ready to be used on invoices, bills, and quotes. That's all there is to it.